Sorry, we got cut off there. But to wrap this up, in this last problem, the shot put problem, we know that when we throw this shot put, it's going to go up and come back down. And if we wanted to find the maximum height, we're looking for that vertex right there, right? So the x-coordinate of the vertex we find by taking negative b over 2a, where b is negative 0.84 over 2 times a, which is negative 0.04. Okay, we work that out. And that gets us about 10.5 meters of a horizontal distance. The height then, we just want to plug in 10.5 into x, in for x. Okay, and work all of this out. And you get 6.41. And we'll call that meters. Okay, so the maximum height is 6.41 meters. Now, how far will the ball land, will the shot put land? Well, we're looking for this point right here, which means that we're looking for the second y-intercept, right? We don't know where the y-axis is, so we're looking for the second y-intercept. So if I can find the two y-intercepts, then this one should be really at 0 on the x-axis. Or actually, it may not be at 0 on the x-axis, but if I can find the two x-intercepts, then I can find the distance between them. Okay? So the x-intercepts are the zeros of a function. They're also the solutions to an equation. So what we need is we need the solutions to this equation here. And square root method factoring is not going to work here, so we need to do the quadratic formula, where a is negative 0.04, b is 0.84, and c is 2. So that'll look like this right here. All over 2 times negative 0.04. Weird. So, negative 0.84 plus or minus the square root of, and I want to do all this in my calculator. We got to square the 0.84, and then add to that 4 times 0.04 times 2, and we get 1.02 inside the radical, 256, all over negative 0.08. And the rest of this is all going to be calculator work. So we got to take negative 0.84 plus the square root of 1.0256 and divide that by negative 0.8, and we get negative 2.159, and we've got to take negative 0.84 minus the square root of 1.0256 divided by negative 0.08, and we get 23.159. And so that means that this is negative 2.159 And this point is 23.159, and we need to know the distance from here to here. So we just want to add those. I'm going to put that in a different color right here, and this is crazy, I know. So 23.159 plus, well, to find the distance here, we have to subtract these, which means we're going to add 23.159 plus 2.159. And the distance here between these is 25.318 meters. That's how far the shot put will travel. Okay? A little weird. If you need some help straightening that out, then come see me and we'll walk through it together. Okay? Homework's out in Canvas. Make sure you get that done.